In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Social Explorer. So you're going to just go to socialexplorer.com. Please make an account if you don't have one. After that, you will go to Maps and Tables and then start here. And here in this exercise, we are going to compare two geographies, and we are going to use census tracts. The first geography that we are going to look at is Humboldt Park. So you can just like type the address I gave you and then search for that. It's gonna zoom out a little bit so I can see better. And here you can choose to explore any indicator that you want. I'm just going to make a report, and here instead of selecting census 10 because the information is quite limited, I am going just to use the ACS 2005 2009 5-year estimates. This is because I want to give you the example of using median home values, but again there's several indicators that you can explore. So here I'm just going to use look for housing, tenure, value, and cost, but you can choose unemployment, poverty rate, how many people have college degrees, whatever it is. So here I'm going to select a geography, and you can choose any geography that you want within this general area. So that's the area that I chose, but you can choose more or less. Here are the tracks selected. They will just click reports or show reports. Here you will have each census tract that I selected with this data. I'm particularly interested in looking at the home values. So I will choose data download. You don't have probably to click output columns labels in the first row. You probably only have to click census tract data. I have Linux, so it's a little different. You can give a creative name to this, like download Humboldt Park. CSV is fine. So I'm gonna open the file. Just wanna make sure that it's opening correctly. If not, then just play with these commas, tabs, like this for example. See, I want commas. Okay. So here I'm just going to look for median. No. It's not really looking for the median. Oh, there's something there. All right. Median value, yeah. So I want this median value, but as I told you, for example, to calculate median value, you can calculate something else. It's not like you have to. I'm just giving this median value example because it's kind of tricky. It's not really copying for some reason. There it is. It's because I didn't do it right to begin with. Okay, so I obviously need to look at all the people, total population in that area right here. I'm just gonna copy and paste this as well. And again, you will have to only do this for those measures that relate to income, like median household income, rents, etc. But if you want to report something else, let's say I just want to look at how many units are occupied, or how many are owner or renters, then you don't have to do this. You will do only the average. So here I will multiply the first column by the second column. I will get an aggregate number. I just scroll down and this will give me all the other values. I will sum, and then I need to sum the total people as well. So this is all the money that homes were valued at for all these people, right? So we are just going to then make an average out of this, just the mean, and this is what we get in terms of money. This is the like a mean of the median value, and you can just cut and paste this this value, right? So you're going just to compare and again you could do, let's suppose that you were looking at something else. You're looking at renters and owners, and this you also usually have to look at all these three over here, because you need to find out, okay, so what are the total units, so you can calculate the percentage of renters and also owners. But actually I'm just asking you for one value, so you don't need to do two, like renters and owners. You can say, oh, how many renters or owners, but it'd be most useful if you did it this way. So what is the percentage here of owners? Divide this number by the total of houses that people lived in, not vacant homes, but people's homes that were occupied by people. And there you have it. So it's like 34% and 65%. And you can just like report these ideally in a way that it looks pretty. You can make a graph or whatever you want to make, and then just paste it here. The important thing is that you have to do it for Humboldt Park and also other neighborhood. So you will have to pick another neighborhood. So you can move anywhere in Chicago, for example, and I can just closer to where I live. Yeah, so I live right around here. I am going to choose my neighborhood, and I can just choose to compare, right? So I'm just gonna make a report and then choose the area I want to say, okay, this is my neighborhood, these are my I don't know if I will consider that my neighborhood. Maybe here too. Maybe not that area. Okay, this is my neighborhood. I'm going to make a picture of that. Save. And you're going just to, I don't have any idea with that save now. Let me see. Probably the latest. You can open it with Paint or whatever you want. The idea is that you will just print it here, right? So this need a screenshot of your other neighborhood, and here you write a 300 word essay comparing Humboldt Park with that other neighborhood that you chose. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.